Hi friends, today we are visiting India. Now India is all the way on the continent of Asia. So we're over here, all the way over here. You can see right here there's a little dot and it says India. So that is where India is located. Now you can see that India does not say Christmas in India up here. This is the word Diwali. Now Diwali is a celebration that they celebrate there. And so we are going to learn a little bit about that celebration. So this beautiful building behind them is called the Taj Mahal, and it is a very popular site for people to go visit in India. And you can see how they're dressed. It looks a little different than us. They have really pretty long robes they're called on, and beautiful things on their head. So Diwali is a Hindu festival of light. So they're celebrating lights. It says Happy Diwali, and it looks like they have some streamers and lanterns. So the lights represent the inner lights that protect them from darkness. So that's what they believe, that these lights are protecting them from any darkness. So children in India celebrate with family, flowers, lamps, fireworks, and sweet treats. So very different from our Christmas, right? It almost kind of sounds more like our 4th of July. So this is one of the most important holidays in India. Now I know this just gave you a little touch of what this is, so make sure you head on to our next video where we can fill out the paper together, but then you really want to head on over to our virtual classroom because you are going to see some videos and some books about what they do to celebrate and what it looks like. They also have a lot of color, a lot of lights. It's really, really pretty. So make sure you head there so you can learn all about it.